Hey, this video is part of our Vitamix 101 course.
Yeah, you can buy this course where you'll get the recipes, shopping lists, quizzes to test your knowledge, support from us, and lifetime access.
Otherwise, you can keep watching for free on YouTube. Either way, happy blending. Bye.
All right, welcome back. We're finally ready to make our own homemade nut butters in our Vitamix. For this demonstration, we're gonna make a honey cinnamon peanut butter. Super delicious, super nutritious, can't beat it. All right, it's 3 ingredients, so easy. We're using 3 cups of roasted unsalted peanuts, a little bit of honey, maybe 2 tablespoons worth, and then a little bit of cinnamon. We'll put the lid on, secured, and the tamper in, and we're about ready to go. So we're gonna turn the Vitamix on, slowly ramp it up to 10 and then high, and we're gonna use the tamper to gently push the ingredients from the sides of the container down into the middle. If the lid's on secure, the tamper will never touch the blade. And also remember that high-pitched chugging noise. You're gonna hear it, it's gonna be weird, but it's totally normal. After about 45 seconds to a minute, that noise will flatline and then we'll know it's done. Ready to go? Okay, you ready? Let's make some cinnamon honey peanut butter. So you kind of heard the noise flatline there, and that's exactly how we knew it's done. Now, I know you're not here to smell the amazing aromas of this fresh honey cinnamon peanut butter, but maybe you can take a look and see. It's warm to the touch. I mean, really, it is a beautiful spread. Now, you can use this with vegetables. I'll dip celery in here, and it's phenomenal. Put some raisins on it with it. You can put it on fruit. And of course, the normal stuff, you can spread it on bread, muffins, and if this didn't have honey and cinnamon, it'd be great as a base for a Thai peanut sauce. People, this peanut butter is so good. I can't wait for you to make it. So when you're ready, mark this unit complete, head on over to the next where you'll get the 3 simple ingredients to make honey cinnamon peanut butter.
Hey, it's Lenny Gill with Life is No Yoke. Do you want to make someone's day today? Hit subscribe on our channel. It'll make my day.
It really will. Thanks.